Today we will learn how to make a seeder on Laravel. Okay. First of all, you should go your terminal and open new terminal, and then you should make it try this command php artisan make seeder category seeder. Okay, here you can see category seeder. Now you can use category. We need some make a table. Okay, category or model. Just we will make it name. I'm sorry, we need all. Okay, now you can use multiple. Okay, that's only will be name. Table string type string, data type will be string. Okay, then you can go your seeder file and use category create name. Random 10. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. You should use string here. Use eliminate eliminate CUPP support str. Okay, now you should go to your database seeder file and use this and call function array, right? Then use category seeder class. That's it. Just to format it. Now set migrate fresh set. Here you can see the success message. Database seeder category seeder is done. You can check your database, its categories, its name. Okay, done. Thank you so much for your support, and just subscribe my channel. You will get some amazing videos for your skill. Thank you so much.